CIMC is a multinational group engaged in diversified business in global logistics and energy industries. In these 40 years, CIMC has extended its businesses from containers to fields such as vehicles, energy, chemical and liquid food equipment, offshore and airport facilities. It has created over 20 world-leading products. CIMC Yangzhou as an important R&D, innovation and manufacturing base of CIMC. Rely on 28 years of container industry design and manufacturing experience. In the new historical period, CIMC Yangzhou strives to be a leader in logistics equipment, energy equipment, and modular building to endow new life to the traditional containers. Leader of special logistic equipment. In the face of intense market competition, we are dedicated to driving the modernization and digitalization of the logistics equipment industry, creating greater value and competitive advantage for customers worldwide. With around 30 years of deeply development in the field of intelligent container manufacturing, CIMC Yangzhou has always been adhering to a spirit of self-improvement, the pursuit of excellence, strictly following international standards and industry norms, professionally design and production of all kinds of standard and special logistics equipment, cold chain equipment, while providing diversified, customized one-stop services to meet the needs of different customers, casting quality with ingenuity, writing brilliance with strength. CIMC Yangzhou constantly pursues technological innovation and quality improvement, and is committed to using efficient technology and advanced concepts to create a new chapter in the field of logistics equipment. Innovator of energy equipment. In the wave of the new energy era, CIMC Yangzhou has established deep cooperation with several well-known domestic and international enterprises. Our product range covers multiple environmentally friendly sectors in the new era. We will actively explore cutting-edge technologies, explore emerging markets, and bring more opportunities and value to customers. We will always focus on innovation and quality to contribute CIMC efforts to a green earth. Forerunner of modular building. As a global leader in modular building design and manufacturing, CIMC Yangzhou aims to promote the transformation and upgrading of containerization and industrial innovation, leading the way into the new era of intelligent and automated modular building manufacturing. We embrace a green and low-carbon development philosophy and boldly innovate in the fields of steel structure modular buildings. CIMC Yangzhou has continuously developed and improved the fully independent intellectual property permanent modular apartment, provided a global coverage of modular CAM building series products for numerous mining, oil and gas field owners, and engineering companies. Our products have been widely used in various public buildings, also service the Qatar World Cup Stadium, Antarctic Research Station, and other international large-scale projects. CIMC Yangzhou is composed of 6 companies including CIMC TLC, XLC, and RYC. With the continuous expansion of new business, CIMC Yangzhou strives to realize the transformation of traditional manufacturing towards high-quality development. CIMC Yangzhou formed a strong R&D team of nearly 200 professional engineers, constantly exploring new boundaries of industry technology, promoting the deep integration of technology and industry, and always adhering to the development concept of lean manufacturing. We are mainly committed to high-level new energy equipment manufacturing and new industrial modular construction, aiming to building a 5 to 10 billion level diversified and recognized CIMC Container Group, intelligent manufacturing, plus high-end integration comprehensive advanced manufacturing park, supported by the mature and emerging business, integrating international vision and China's manufacturing advantages, climbing to new peak in the container industry with intelligence and greenness. And Yangzhou CIMC Intelligent Equipment Industrial Park came into being. Under the careful attention of government leaders and CIMC Group senior executives, the industrial park's construction is in line with schedule, and the opening ceremony was successfully launched. CIMC Yangzhou will rely on the opportunity of industrial park construction, set sail for the second time to start a new journey and realize a new takeoff. Containers change the world. We change the containers.